Hello, welcome to Printer Tales. Today we'll learn how to connect the HP Deskjet 2700 printer to our Wi-Fi network. Let's get started. Step 1. Make sure you already have the HP Smart app installed on your desktop. Note, if you haven't installed the app yet, no worries. Just check out our simple video tutorial linked in the description below. Step 2. On the taskbar, click on the search bar and type HP Smart. Step 3. After you find it, click on Open to launch the app. Step 4. Once the app opens, click on Accept All. Step 5. Select Skip for now to continue the setup from the home page. Step 6. When the pop-up asks for location permission, select the option you prefer. Step 7. Click on the Add Printer button and wait for your HP Deskjet 2700 printer to show up. Step 8. Once your printer appears, click on Set Up. Step 9. Press the Continue button. Step 10. If prompted to access your Wi-Fi password, click on No Thanks. Step 11. Enter your password manually, then press the Connect button. Step 12. On your printer, press the flashing Information I button when asked. Step 13. After the printer connects successfully, click on Continue. Step 14. Finally, review the Connected Printing Services Consent/Setup page, choose your preferred options, and follow the on-screen instructions.
If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comment section.